Hi friend, today I will show you how to create collage easily. First of all, open your web browser. Type PhotoJet in web browser search bar and press enter. After all the result loaded, click first one. This site name is PhotoJet. This site have 3 different methods. You have to select Make Collage method. This loading process take few seconds. It will depend on your internet connection speed. In this page, select Photo Grid method. You can choose you need grid left-hand side box. This time I choose default grid. Click this box and you can see Add Photo option in this drop-down box. If it is clicked, it will automatically go to your computer download folder. Now you need to select your photo and press open. Now go to the second box and do that again. Use your creative ideas and you can create good collage. I choose Shakira's photos for this collage. If you still not subscribe our YouTube channel, please subscribe it. Also you can drag photo like this. Now go to the above mentioned save button. After click the save button, you can see drop down box. This box have a name box and file format box. Choose your file format and give name for this photo. After, press the save button. In this box you don't need to do anything, only click Save for free now button. Now you can see automatically download is start. After finish the download, click that image. This our final product. This video useful to you, please like this and share this. You need to know something, please comment down below. If you still not subscribe our YouTube channel, please subscribe it.